Hey everybody, welcome to Trilogy Tech Talk. I'm Rena Santora, your host, and I'm standing next to David Bailey, who is the Director of Systems Engineering. David Bailey, how you doing?
Good.
Good. So, David, what is Qumulo, and what are you guys doing here at NAB?
So this is our first year on the show floor here at NAB. We are a data-aware scale-out NAS system. This is a system we've been building for the last 3 years. It is a fully distributed scale-out file system. So essentially, from a scale-out perspective, it looks like a single drive to the end user in the desktop. We are here in this show because one of our largest target markets is the media and entertainment marketplace. So customers that would look at our storage are going to be looking at for doing things such as rendering, nonlinear editing, audio editing, compositing, so things that need a lot of big files, especially what you see in media and entertainment. Digital post-production houses, this sort of things would be the kind of customers would be very interested in using this system. We also are using the product in places like bio-IT and oil and gas houses. They all have kind of the similar scale-out needs from regards to large-scale file systems.
Okay, talking about rendering, how are you guys handling all this data?
So essentially what we've done is we built a system that is a series of nodes. Those nodes are all interconnected just through standard 10 gigabit Ethernet, and each one of those nodes can handle dozens or even hundreds of clients that can interconnect to each one of those. So the system scales not only from a storage perspective, but it also scales from a throughput and interconnect perspective as well. So when you talk about hundreds or even thousands of render clients and being able to handle that storage and having the storage be able to handle all that IOP and throughput, that's what this thing has been built for specifically.
Great, and who are your clients, and what have they been, or how have they been benefiting from your product?
So we have clients kind of in the media entertainment space that kind of scale the industry from everything from animation houses to digital post-production houses where they're doing video editing or doing special effects. We have folks who are doing actual gaming and writing gaming applications that are using this system. So it kind of scales the whole gamut of storage systems specifically for the media and entertainment space.
I was just going to say, you're definitely making a mark in the media and entertainment industry.
Absolutely.
Awesome. And how are you guys differentiating yourselves against your competitors?
So one of the things that we're doing that's very differentiated is that we're doing this file system on basically commodity-based hardware. So we're not doing anything special on the hardware itself. This is commercial off-the-shelf gear that we've gone off and obviously spec'd from that perspective. The other thing we've done is that we've built a system that is actually a hybrid storage system. So we're using not just SSDs and not just hard drives. We've managed to combine best of both worlds. So you get the speed and throughput of the SSD, but then you get the density of the hard drive for storing all of those files. So that's one of the things we've done to differentiate ourselves. The other thing is we're just using standard 10 gigabit Ethernet. So for our interconnect, we don't have to have any kind of special interconnect devices. You don't have to have complicated SANs. In fact, the system you see behind me over there, that's an 8-node system that is 90 terabytes, and that system was set up in less than 10 minutes. In fact, that system over there, if you get a close-up of it, it's pretty interesting. It actually has 10.4 billion files and over 1.2 million directories on it. So the kind of scale of files and directories and things that we can do is pretty amazing, and nobody's really done that in distributed file systems before in the past.
All right, sounds like you guys are doing big things over here.
Yeah, we're doing some really cool things, and we just had our first demo. We were just absolutely crushed, so I'm hoping the rest of the show is exactly like that.
I'm pretty sure it'll go very, very smooth for you guys. One more question. One of your coworkers called you the Reverend. Why are they calling you the Reverend?
A long time ago, I made the mistake in a presentation of telling someone praise Jesus and pass the disk drives, and the nickname stuck. The Reverend's been with me for many, many years since then. So
I like it. Yeah. Well, thank you very much for taking time to talk to Trilogy Tech Talk.
Thank you.
And I wish you all the best of luck during the rest of the show.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Take care.
Appreciate it.